Hi guys, welcome to part 2 of the shop update prep. There's only going to be 2 videos, so this is the last video, and I wanted to show you guys what is releasing this Friday on September 8th at 10 a.m. Pacific time. First, coasters. I'm really excited about these because these sold out so quickly. Every time we make new coasters, they just sell out, so I decided to make a lot more and a lot more designs to choose from. And also we have vinyl stickers. These are all fully waterproof, featuring Doo-Doo the frog, our new character. And we have an omelet Polly. This one is actually one of my favorites. But anyways, we have collect books finally. This is a restock for these 2 designs, but the rest, they're all new designs, so it is on Instagram already, so you can see all the designs in detail. But we also have new memo pads, 2 memo pads. These are bigger size. And then we have washi tape, and then we have the phone grips. Yes, after a long time, we finally have some new designs, and yeah, they're great. I think my favorite is this one. So, which one do you guys like? We also have these sticker sheets. These are all glossy vinyl material, so they're really thick, and they're all waterproof as well. We have also some lanyards, some long ones. But yeah, this is the freebie for the shop update. And if you order anything with Doo-Doo, you also get this free vinyl sticker. So if you order anything with Doo-Doo, as in like this sticker sheet, this, or this phone grip, this washi tape, that is the freebie you'll be getting, or even this collect book. So yeah, enjoy the shop update prep video. I hope you guys like the ASMR. First, there might be some like dirt marks, but that's okay because it's actually just a protective film on top of it. So what you do is you can get something sharp, or use your nails to peel like so. Just peel a little bit off, and then slowly do it. Slowly peel it off, and it'll be super clean, brand new. Looks really nice. And I think for this batch they already removed the backside film, so you don't need to peel anything off. But yeah, these are perfect for putting your drinks, or just on your table. Would look really cute anywhere. So this is Doo-Doo the frog, which will be kind of the main character for our shop update. So have this one, This is actually a bit smaller than I expected. I think they already removed the film. You can just tell by the quality if there's already been removed. It'll have like a really clean reflection. If it hasn't been removed, then you'll feel that it's kind of rough. So yeah, this is Polly with gummy bears. This one needs to be peeled. It's a bit crammed on this table, but we're going to test this out. I don't want to use my big cutter right now, so the small one we'll just have to do. Let's give it a try. Oh, that's so cute. I guess I gotta open it like this. I saw someone do it on TikTok or somewhere a few months ago, so I've been wanting to try this. I just can't find the video, so from what I remember, this is how they did it. I'm assuming they cut a hole over here, like over here, like up to here. I'm assuming it has to be a little bit more like this. Otherwise, how is it gonna? Still. This doesn't seem right. Like, I'm not sure. this much. Something like this. Let's try more. I'll do it here. This one's a bit taller, so I have to adjust. The size of this because it'll block. So cute. I've never made a gray colored anything actually, so I just thought I would like do something like this. I don't know, I think it's pretty cool, like a neutral tone, like not like a pink or purple or like a really bright pastel. So yeah, threw that in for this shop update. And we have an ombre, Mika, and Taiyaki bear, and then we have this one, Doo, a mushroom, and Mika. And this one actually matches this freebie for the shop update and this month, as well as this little heart vinyl sticker that I showed last shop update prep vlog video.